Open the SWM Deoghar application on your POS machine. The user will be redirected to the login page. Enter your login credentials and click the login button. Upon logging in successfully, user will be taken directly to the tax collector menu list. Select Search Consumer to view consumer details and initiate the payment process. To find specific consumer information, users can apply filters to refine their search results. Proceed by clicking on the View Details option to continue with the process. Options for user-related actions will be displayed. After selecting View and Pay, the demand details will be displayed along with payment options. Select the payment month and payment mode, then click on the Pay Now button. The user will be asked for confirmation. A screen will be displayed asking the user to insert, swipe, or tap their card. Insert your card and enter your PIN, then click on the Confirm option. After a successful payment, the user will receive the payment receipt. Select the Send e-charge slip option, enter the mobile number in the corresponding field, and then click on the Send option. Message sent successfully confirmation message will appear. By clicking on the Print option, the user will receive a printed receipt. The user will be prompted to remove the card. Upon completion, a transaction successful confirmation message will appear. Upon selecting the Print option, the user will receive the receipt.